Playing guitar in praises this year is going to be fantastic. This is a continuation of what we started last week. I promised you I would bring you the second part. And here we are. I gave you many rhythms that could accompany you in your praises last week. This time around, I'm going to cover some interesting guitar rhythms, licks, and octaves that I failed to cover in the first chapter. You are going to be very lucky. This time, I'm not going to use my fingers to pick. I'm going to focus more with the pick to play some mute, to do some striking and strumming, which are also other ways we play guitar in praises. You know, I like praises for one thing. That is where we got to also show our appreciation to God. We praise Him, we dance in appreciation. So, still using the song, Jesus is a mighty God. Jesus is a mighty God. I use this song because it's a popular song, many of us know it. Okay, we are still in the key of F, and we are using the C shape of the cage system. There are times you wouldn't have to pick the strings with your fingers, but with a pick. The basic thing to do is to play chords along the song. Just strum. 1, 4, 1, 5. 1, 4, 1, 5. In the key of F. B flat, F, C, F, B flat, F, C. So, but the strumming should be percussive, should be rhythmic, you know. See, this is very simple. Just to keep the groove going. Down, down, up. 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 Here's another way. You can also use duets and chords to keep the groove going. Listen to this. This is another way you can play. He's a mighty God. He's a mighty God. So I held mi and do at the same time in the key of F, and I play la, sol, la, do, mi and and do at the same time. Mi, so. Then I play so, la, do together with the do. Do, so with a do, la with a do, do with a do. So you can hear do, 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 so, la, do. So mi, so, la, do, fa, do, so, mi, so, la, do, fa, do, so. Then you can come here. You can come to the 8th and then the 10th fret and play. Slowly. Do, so, mi, do, fa, la. Do, so, mi, do, so, ti, re. Do, so, mi, do, fa, la. Okay? So you can also play. Trying to chip in some little Soukous lines. Then you play again. So, do, mi, do, re, ti, so, re, ti. Ti, so, re, ti, ti, so, re, ti. So, do, mi, do, re, la, fa, do, fa. So, do, mi, do, re, ti, so, re, ti. Okay, then try to introduce some sort of blues, you know. You hold do and so at the same time on F chord. Or you can hold the full chord and then you play Mo and Z, Re and La, and back to Do and so. Then you play B flat, F, and then C or C70. But you just have to try to make it percussive. This is very simple and this is very common. so do, mi so do, fa la do, mi so do, re so ti, re so ti, re so ti, re so ti. You can also use some octaves. Between the 7th and the 10th fret, you can also play some mutes here. You play it the same way the bass guitarist would play it, but using mutes. Making sure the timing is regular and very tight. I think I've given you some pretty much licks, and church is going to be good this year. Alright? My name is Pastor Georgespratz, aka Spratz. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. I'm going to try to leave the link of the backing rhythm in the description below. Please, you can go get it and practice with it. In case you don't know, I do teach online. I have Zoom classes online, so if you want to do further studies on these lessons, please don't hesitate to pick the numbers on the screen, call me, WhatsApp me, and let's do it. And please, describe our page to others. Like it, share it, leave your comment, and we will respond to them. See you again and soon.